I despise this little thing. All right, so give me a second, other parents. I got this off of Amazon, right? It's a toy smartphone for kids. It's got a whole bunch of different stuff on here, like you see, calculator. Let me see, learning ABCs, some daily reminders, alarm, flashlight, calendar, timers, a video player, camera recorder, etc., etc. A whole bunch of stuff. Really cool, right? And I got it for about 20 bucks. So instruction says, hey, you need to make sure you use this charger that goes with it. Use the charger. Of course, if anyone has kids, you know the kid doesn't always do exactly what you're telling them to do. So my kid had plugged it inside the wall, but the instructions say in the manual that you have to plug it into the computer. So if you make the mistake and plug it into the wall, it's done. I kept getting this blue screen that was showing up on the phone and basically saying that, oh, it can't read the memory card. This is the memory card that it has inside of it. So no matter what you do, you can't just go in here and pop it out. All of this is sealed and closed. So going through the comment sections and everything like that, it looks like everybody was having the same issue. They're able to use it for like a week and then it wouldn't charge anymore, or it kept getting that blue screen error saying that it couldn't read the memory card, which again is strangely blank. So it was just basically bricked for the longest time. It was a nice little paperweight. This is the original one. I had to break this stupid thing open, right? Then on the side where it has the on button, right below here is where you have an SD card. I put a new SD card here that I got from like, I think CVS or something, which was a SanDisk one. It came with like this and this too. It's 32 gigabytes. But now that I've replaced that, it works pretty much the same way as the other one. I could not find the answer from anybody online, so hopefully this will help the person or the next buyer that buys this, so that way they don't have to go through what I went through or keep buying the thing over and over again. Some people are doing refunds. I don't have the patience to sit there and do the refund, especially my kid whining about how she wanted to use the phone again or for me to fix it. So I ended up busting it open with like a hammer, lightly tapping it, and a screwdriver, and kind of wedgies open. There's like 4 prongs here. You can see right here on the sides. Maybe you can do a cleaner job. I'm pretty heavy-handed, so that's why mine looks like this. They do sell these cases separately with it, so I'll just pop this in. Works perfectly fine. I didn't damage any of the important goods or the battery, so I should be fine with that. Slip it on. The kid knows no difference of it. However, I already bought this one, the second one, like a lot of other people, so I'll probably just give her this one to use. But if you're having that same problem, that's probably what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to break it open and then put in your own SD card, because I think this one or something, it automatically gets corrupted. I formatted it and everything on my computer and nothing. So best of luck to you. Hope this helps.